Hello, my name is Harmeet Singh. I'm a resident of Prince Rupert, British Columbia. I'm a mechanical engineer by profession. I have working experience with top mechanical and auto companies. I plan after completion of my graduation in business administration, which is next month, I have planned for a business startup. I have experience in starting a business plan, execution, and quality production. As an engineer holding a business diploma, I want to open my own service center garage, which will include all auto repairs as well as selling brand new auto parts. So, my business idea is totally startup plan. The whole business idea is a startup in which I and my co-workers will sell auto parts and repair defective vehicles for customers. The startup is one time investment like buying, repairing tools, used lands, showroom, building a premise, new auto parts, and co-workers' salary. This is just a one time investment. I will also hire an experienced, skilled mechanic who will be time consuming, frequent, and highly skilled. To help him in the garage, I need a skilled labor which will help him to fix the defective vehicles. So, continuing, the whole startup idea is to give a quick service to the people really in an urgent situation, like they are stuck somewhere in the town due to like flat tires, their engine is seized, or some electrical problems. So, I and my team will help them by going to that location. I'm hiring a team of 5 staffs, including me, in which two of them will be looking for an urgent repair calls outside, which means on the site all over the town. And two staff will be working inside the garage, and I will be looking after the store, like selling the parts, finance, cash flow. So now I have planned my location. As per as I have researched, I can locate my garage anywhere in the town because my competitors does not offer the same uh, quick service that I and my company does. So I have planned to operate my business in downtown area, which is very easy accessible. Everybody can reach downtown. There is a vacant land which I have looked out, and it is selling for like $120,000. Next, moving on, there are some key points for my startup. In the garage, I will include an area in which all common auto parts will be sold, like engine oil, glasses, like driver seat glasses, back seat glasses, and summer and winter tires, some bulbs. Uh, I will also include a small area for car accessories like music player, tire jack, cleaning stuffs. Next, I will I will think of making two broad area room. I will keep for repairing the defective vehicles which come to the garage. Two of my staff will have direct line for the customers is who is in urgent need, so they will be directly reached to the site and repair their vehicles. If that vehicle cannot be fixed on site, then it will be brought to the garage for the repairs. Next, what are the problems that the town is facing, and what is the solution that my business will actually cover these problems? So, I live in Prince Rupert City, which is a limited number of auto repair garage, which unfortunately offers more than 2 weeks long appointment date to an urgent as well as normal customers. Customers cannot complain about this issue because mechanical garage in Prince Rupert is limited. Therefore, I came up with a startup idea that will solve this problem that is occurring in Prince Rupert market. And the special thing about my garage will be open from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. daily, and my site workers, which will go to the site in an urgent situation, mm, they will be directed to the emergency line if there is an urgent situation. So, as per my approximation, I want a special funding of approximate amount of $300,000 to start up my business, and it will be really very helpful. If I get this much of funding, I can open my garage and help the local Prince Rupert market. Thank you so much.